What's up, everybody? It's Rebecca-Louise and welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about getting your workout in and leaving with a changed mindset. And today I'm going to change your mindset a little bit because we are going to switch things up. Yes, today we have got a booty gains workout, but we're going to add in your sofa or a chair. So whichever one is going to be best for you, that is going to be perfect. And also, if you have not already tagged us on social media with your amazing results, working out your changed mindset, make sure that you tag us for a shout out. Check out some of these amazing girlies in our community who are feeling fire. Just tag us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, all of the places, Rebecca-Louise Fitness. All right, let's get those booties gained. All right, so you got your chair, you got your sofa, whatever's gonna work best for you. There's no really wrong or right way to do this. We're just gonna do it and have some fun. Also, if you do have your burn bands, add these in as well. It's gonna create a little bit of extra resistance and make you feel that burn just a tad more. All right, so we're gonna pop the bands over the top of our knees. So always make sure that they are right there. We got 45 seconds of exercise, a 15-20 second rest, and we are gonna fire this up. Very first exercise that we are gonna do is we are gonna take it into some hip thrusts. And this way just gets our legs a little bit higher up off the ground. So we're gonna come all the way down here. We're gonna press our heels into the chair or the sofa. You're gonna come up, you're gonna squeeze those glutes, and then you're gonna take it down as if you are hovering down. So really push those heels in. We're gonna keep those toes lifted up just to feel it a little bit more in those hamstrings. Now, as you come up, I want you to think about pushing the band out to the side. So come down, the band comes slightly in, push up, and then as you get to the top, you're gonna bring that band out to the side. Really push those heels down into your mat and then squeeze those glutes at the top. Here we go, looking good everybody, squeeze up. 20 seconds is on the clock, so take it nice and slow and controlled. Really push those hips up to the sky, knees out to the side, heels are firm into your mat or your chair or your sofa, all the way up and squeeze. That's it. If you'd like, hey, I don't want to do the sofa thing, you can always push this down into the mat. All right, here we go. Come on, push that nose, knees out to the side, all the way down. Give me one more and release. Okay, keep those heels into your mat or on your sofa or your chair, wherever you're at, and we're gonna extend one leg out to the side. Oh yes, we're gonna keep this all the way through. So you're gonna come down, hover, 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 and then pushing up to the sky, squeeze those glutes. So take it down, hover, heel into the sofa, now pushing up nice and high. This time, I want you to bring your leg a little bit further out to the side. You're gonna feel it in that inner thigh as well, plus the booty. So just keep that resistance on, pushing all the way up and squeezing at the top. I really think about getting that full range of motion. You're over halfway. Take that leg a little bit further out to the side for me. Hover, 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 push down, tuck those hips under and squeeze. Nice work, everybody. Inhale through your nose and exhale everything out, lifting up. Here we go, looking strong, everybody. Relax your head, relax the shoulders all the way down. Give me one more and release. Woo! All right, keep those heels up on the sofa, on your chair. You guys are doing so good. Just shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. We're gonna bring that band, make sure that it's adjusted right here. Push firm into those heels, lift those hips up to the sky, bring those hands down. Now extend that leg out. Really flex the heel. Now bring that leg out to the side, and here we go. So take it down, hover, 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 and then pushing up into your heels, and then leg out to the side. That's it. Here we go. Slow and controlled. Get those hips up, and then squeeze the glutes at the top. You have got this. Even though your legs might be shaking, you might get, I don't know if I can do this. Just keep telling yourself, if you think you can, if you think you can't, you are right. And we are right. We are going to crush through this workout. We're going to get all the way through. So really push those hips up to the sky, heel into your sofa, into your chair, and all the way through. Here we go. Give me two more. Lift up, hips higher, 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 and take it down. Now give me one more, lifting all the way up to the sky. Hold and gently release. All right, hip thrusts are done. Isn't that a great way just to add a little bit more into it? All right, we're going to take it up into a standing position. We're going to take it into split lunges. So you can keep that band on right here, and all we're going to do is we're going to come down and then stand up. We're going to get that full range of motion, so I want to lean into it and then straighten that front leg. So the back leg, you can just relax that toe onto your sofa, on your chair, and then you're going to come down, push into that heel, and squeeze both of those hips facing towards the edge of your mat, and all the way up. That's it. If you need to, just bring that leg a little bit further, and then lean into that front front leg. That's how you're gonna feel it more into the glute. All of that weight wants to be on that supporting front leg. Little to no weight on this back leg. You should be able to bring it up, no problem. That's it. Now take it down, squeeze, and lift. That's it. Full straight leg. Breathe through it. Come on, you got this. Take it down, lean into it, and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze that glute. All right, we're gonna take it into pulses. Okay, so you're gonna come down, you're gonna lean forward, and it's just pulses up and down. Now tell you what, this is going to burn. So get ready. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 45 seconds and pulses. Keep that chest lifted, shoulders down. Tiny little pulses. Here we go. Looking so strong, everybody. Woo, just 8 minutes of exercise right here. The glutes are on fire. Now lean into it a little bit more. Can you get just an inch or two lower in that squat? Keep that chest lifted up. Keep smiling through it. The burn should be real right about now. Here we go. Come on, 15 seconds to go. Let's get a little bit lower in that front leg. Lean into it more. Come on, wherever you feel it, make that burn real. Make it so that you're really feeling it in those glutes. Here we go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Oh my goodness, as you release, your butt might feel like it wants to fall off. Okay, whoo, all right, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. We're gonna take it into the other side. So same thing again. I like to have my foot flexed. Some people like to have it up like this, but we're gonna make sure that this is wide enough so we get that full range of motion. And squeeze, hips both facing towards the end of your mat. Here we go, we're getting those booty gains. It's gonna be on fire, and we're gonna work to get those results. And squeeze. So as you come down, lean into it, press into that heel, and then squeeze, tucking those hips under as you get to the top, all the way through. That's it. Take it down, push, and squeeze. Here we go. Drop those shoulders, inhale through your nose, and exhale everything out. 20 seconds right here. Come on, what are you made of today? You're made of grit. You're made of determination. You are made not to give up. And you just gotta show that self to you today. Give me one more, and all the way up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Nice, all right, keep that leg right there. We're gonna take it into those pulses, and then you've got one last exercise. Okay, so we're gonna take it down. Now, you don't have to do it with these bands, but tell you what, it's gonna take a lot quicker to get those results if you don't have them in. All right, here we go. Pulses for 45 seconds. That weight on that front heel. Really think about how can you push into that front heel, get both those hips facing towards the edge of your mat, and it should be burning right about now. Oh yes, here we go. Come on, both hips facing towards the edge of your mat. Get a little bit lower, lean into it, push down into that heel. Here we go for 20 seconds. You are on fire. Come on, let's keep this momentum going. Keep your body moving. 15 seconds is on the clock. Keep breathing through it, and let's go. Come on, 10 seconds. Squeeze those glutes, lifting up through the chest. Lean into it for the final 5. Let's go in 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Oh my goodness me. Oh, your quads are on fire too. Booty's on fire. It's the whole gains. All right, final exercise that we're gonna do. We're gonna take it into step ups. Again, you can use onto your band. Take it 2 down and then all the way up. Shake it out. Take a nice big breath in. Exhale out, and here we go. So step up and then take it back. Here we go. Squeeze that core, and that's gonna really help you with your step up as well. And then get those arms nice and strong. Think about toned, strong, fierce, grit, bravery. Here we go, all the way through. Core is engaged, arms are engaged. Now lift that knee up just a little bit higher. Here we go, 20 seconds is left. Every single rep that you are doing right now is counting towards the results that you want. Do not quit. Keep on moving, and let's go. Less than 10 seconds, everybody. Breathe through it. Get stronger with the final couple of reps. In 3, in 2, in 1, and release. Oh my goodness. Woo, take off that band, pop it over to the side, give yourself a round of applause. That was unbelievable. But guess what? If you really want results, you got 2 options right now. Option 1, option 2. Which one are you gonna go for? Because I tell you what, if you can just get another 5 minutes, another 10 minutes of one of these workouts, you're gonna be that one step closer to getting the results. So, option 1, option 2. I'll see you in the workout. Well done, everybody, and let's stay strong.